Exercise 6. Popping out of a photo. Right, first things first, Control J. What we want to do is we want to make the bride larger than the background. In order to do this, we have to select the bride. Once again, we'll use our magnetic lasso tool. Now where you start, let's run up. And I'm not going to be too particular because you'll have all the time in the world to do this. We just want to get it done for the tutorial. There we have it. Okay, I've lost a little bit of hair here. If you go up to here, you can see add to selection or subtract. Now we want to add, so I'll just click inside and I'll go around the hair here quickly, come down, and you see it's added in. That's fine. Control J brings up, but now we want to work on the layer below, and we want to use our rectangular marquee tool to select a bit of the background. There we go. Now we've got that part selected, but we want to select the outside, so all we do is we go to select inverse, and you'll see the margin ants are now all the way around, and we press delete and we've deleted that. Control D to deselect the margin ants, and if we close the top layer, you see we've actually cut the bride as well. But now we want to put a drop shadow and a stroke onto this layer, so we'll put on the stroke and go for white. Okay, drop shadow coming down, give it a bit of distance, a bit of spread. Okay, there we have it. Now let's switch on our bride again, but we want the drop shadow around the bride as well. But if we put a drop shadow here, it's going to go through the image. The quickest and easiest way is we Control J that layer, bring this layer down below. So let's switch the top one off. You can see it's below the image, and then we can go to our effects here and copy layer style, right click again and paste layer style, and you'll see the drop shadow and the stroke has come on there. We don't want the stroke, so we'll switch the stroke off. There we go. Now by switching on the top layer again, making it visible, you see there's no drop shadow through the image. So let's do that again. The bride with the drop shadow is below the background. Switch on, and there we have this bride popping out of the image, which is a very nice way to make a card or something. We can add a new layer at the bottom. Let's choose a more subtle color, bluish pink, somewhere around there. Okay, it's foreground color, so Alt backspace, and there we have a wonderful little card, wedding invitation, anything of the sort. Thank you.